This is a summary of the food studies topic, diet and nutrition planning. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. A good diet requires measuring nutritional value and modifying recipes to reflect guidelines. Nutritional testing involves assessing ingredients and whether they fit the target group. Dietary reference values provide recommended daily amounts of nutrients and energy. Dietary reference values guide the energy and nutrient needs for different individuals. Knowing the nutrients in food is crucial for maintaining a balanced diet. Balanced meals include a variety of nutrients like protein, fat, and carbohydrates. Dietary reference values help determine the nutrients and energy needed for children. Current dietary reference value guidelines outline recommended percentages for fats, carbohydrates, and sugars. Maximum daily salt intakes vary by age, with no added salt recommended for babies. Protein, vitamins, and minerals requirements differ by age, increasing as individuals grow older. The Food Standards Agency recommends the percentage of daily intake by meal. Breakfast is important for providing energy, nutrients, and preventing mid-morning snacking. We can all adapt our food to make it more healthy. Eat more of what is good for us and less of what is not. Convenience foods are common today, but they need not be so bad for us when carefully chosen with added fresh ingredients.